Hello everyone. I'm Bharti Bhatia from Khalsa College International Public School, working as a maths teacher. Today, I'm very much thankful to Khalsa College Charitable Society who gives me such an opportunity to give lecture on how to overcome maths phobia. There are handful of persons in the world who are not intimidated but rather fascinated by mathematics. It is a subject that deals with logics and numbers. When you conquer both these, no one can stop you from scoring excellent marks in mathematics. Despite this fact, mathematics turns out to be nightmare for many. So, to overcome this phobia, there are list of ways which today I will tell you how to overcome the fear of mathematics. Number 1 is breathing exercise. The fear sets in with different symptoms. In most of the cases, students feel breathless when they face mathematics problem or challenge. This is the time where we have to keep calm and it will work like a charm. This is the first step to learning to overcome maths phobia. To overcome maths phobia, do breathing exercise, meditation, and it will calm down your alarmed mind. Students, definitely you will see that how easily you are taking interest in this subject, how easily you are facing mathematics problems. Second one is, practice will make you perfect. The main mantra for success in learning mathematics is practice, practice, practice. This is the best application of your time to overcome the fear of mathematics. See students, whenever you learn new formula, new concept, new definition, try to interpret it in your own way. Third one is, utilize your time in playing mathematics games. Students, instead of watching unnecessary reels on Instagram, try to play mathematic games. It will boost up your mind. Today, I'll play one mathematical game with you. It is in the form of a challenge. See, here you can see 2-digit number, that is 99. See, on ones place number 9 is written and on tens place again number 9 is written. So, both the 9s are made up of 12 ice cream sticks and each 9 is made up of 6 ice cream sticks. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now what is the challenge? Challenge is this, that you have to convert this number into 25. You have to convert this number into 25. So now let's start how to play this game. Put up stress on your mind. So firstly, I think let's remove this stick. See, I'm doing in front of you. You have to make use of only 2 sticks. You have to make use of only 2 sticks and convert this number into 25. So let's remove these 2 sticks. Now what does it becomes? It becomes 09. That is 1 digit number. So my motive does not fulfills. What I have to do? I have to convert this 99 into 25 by making use of only 2 sticks. So I won't reach to my goal. I have to place these sticks on their respective places. Again, put stress on your mind. Now again, I'm thinking, what should I do? Now let's remove these 2 sticks. See, I'm removing these 2 sticks. One is from here and another one is from here. Now, what does it becomes? It becomes 9090. But what was my challenge? I have to convert it into 25. Again, my motive does not fulfills. Again, I have to place these sticks on their respective places. Again, I start thinking, what should I do? Now, again, my mind clicks, why not to remove this stick? Should I? Okay. Okay. Now, I have removed this stick. Now, what does it becomes? It becomes 5. And from here, if I remove this stick, what does it becomes? It again becomes 5. But what I have to make? I have to make 25. So students, if I place these sticks in between both the 5s like this, now 5 times 5, what does it becomes? It becomes 25. Now my motive achieves. I have converted 2-digit number 99 into 25. 5 times 5, that is 25. So students, what you have observed from this challenge? It develops your thinking skills. It boosts up your mind. Never lose your heart. Always face challenge to solve mathematics problems. My 4th point is, Real life application. Real life application. The brilliant way of success to overcome maths phobia is utilize your concept in real life as much as possible. It's very important because by doing this way, it will guide you to develop strong foundation in learning advanced concepts. So, students, what we have studied? We have studied firstly, do meditation and breathing exercise. Second one is practice will make you perfect. Third is utilize your precious time in playing mathematic challenges, problems, games. Fourth is real life applications. So, at last but not least, students, to overcome maths phobia, mention all the concepts which I have discussed with you. Definitely follow. Stay focused, stay dedicated to the cause, and also increase your time span for learning mathematics, and definitely you will see the exceptional development coming your way in this subject. Thank you.